Boston Celtics, Los Angeles Lakers, an NBA Christmas presented by State Farm. Christmas Day, downtown Los Angeles, our traditional NBA holiday extravaganza. Jaylen Brown's first shot knocks it down. They are on some offensive stretch right now. The Lakers have been up and down offensively, one of the better defensive teams. Jaylen Brown knocks down his second shot. Holiday launches his three-pointer, and they're 3 of 4 to start. Excellent beginning for the Celtics. Porzingis right there for the follow.
Mike, one thing that can't happen if you're playing the Boston Celtics, you can't be playing catch-up.
Brown, it's more offense. Derek White his second steal. Brown his third field goal.
And Drew Holiday thinks they can create even more problems, saying, I think offensively as a team, we have another level.
So much firepower. Porzingis off to quite the start. And a chance for a three-point play. Vanderbilt inside, can't get it. Davis on the tip.
But can we just talk about Drew Holiday being physically strong enough to match LeBron on the post?
Oh, nice follow from Anthony Davis. Reddish thought he was fouled, but Davis right there to clean it up. Holiday off the bounce. Draws a foul, count it, and one. Tatum against Reddish. Backs in. Boy, he is strong in the post.
That is bully ball.
The variance is different this year, right? They can win more than they did a season ago, not making a ton of threes, but it's still tight.
Holiday, Porzingis layup is good. Right now, the Celtics are mauling the Lakers. Reddish, a much improved defender. Well, he was right on Tatum there, and he still knocked down the three. They're 11 of 15 from the field. As Jaylen Brown, what a start. That's his fourth field goal. Prince, beautiful pass to Davis. Derek White gets inside and scores. The Celtics putting the ball in the basket at will. Davis head down. Nice shot as he goes right at Porzingis. Davis. Thank goodness for Anthony Davis. He's got 12 of their 18 points. Hachimura gets in the paint and gets the bounce. And with all Boston's fireworks early, they cut it to 11. James in the open floor. Goes down the lane, inside. Celtics all around him, and he still puts it up and in. 9 straight points by the Lakers. Horford can't connect. Holiday flies in for the rebound. He throws up another three. That's good. Holiday's second three. Taurean Prince likes that corner three and nails it. He's been shooting very well. Pritchard. There's a three-point shooter. He hit 19 of his last 29 threes in the previous 5 games. As Prince, how did he get that to go in? Taurean Prince, a beautiful move. Pritchard fires away. Knocked down his first three, and is it 2 in a row. Russell.
They need him to score.
Horford with a block shot. Pritchard gathers and lays it up and in. That would have counted. Russell. Without the ball, Porzingis in the post against Hachimura. Using his height advantage. Bank shot is good. One of 4 Celtics in double figures. Reeves, backdoor, James kicks it out. Prince, corner three, it's good. Davis gets inside, shot is good. Hung on the rim and dropped through. He's got 20 here in the first half. James backs in, left hand, lays it up and in. And the Lakers have their first lead of the game. Taurean Prince lines that one up and connects. Prince with his 4th three-pointer. Holiday throws it into Porzingis. Turns, shoots, scores, and a foul. Kind of an awkward-looking shot, but again, that size. Inside, Davis extra pass, and Vanderbilt throws it down. Alley-oop, Porzingis. Perfect pass from Drew Holiday. Holiday spots up, connects on a three. 14 points for Holiday. That's his 3rd three-pointer. Oh, what a block! As White comes up with a Porzingis and White right there to double team. And a foul's going to go against Vanderbilt. Jaylen Brown. And a timeout call by the Lakers. Nice entry pass. James with his 5th assist, and Davis now has 22. Holiday to Porzingis, puts it on the floor, drives, contact, counted and one. Again, off balance, but still got the shot to go. James, double team, kicks it out. Taurean Prince open and knocks down another. How about Prince? 5 of 7 from downtown. Knocked down a three the other way. Prince, by the way, has hit 15 of his last 24 from three-point range. Porzingis, great open look for three is good. James to Davis. Davis throws it down. Porzingis did not want to challenge that one. Brown doesn't settle for the three. Drives inside. Followed too strong. The second effort and third effort from Jaylen Brown. James to Davis. One-on-one against Porzingis. Throws it out and banks it home. He wanted a call as well. Reeves runs into a three and knocks it down. And it's a 4-point game. Tatum makes a beautiful move. Just his third field goal. Reeves fakes, Reeves drives, shot blocked by White.
D'Angelo Russell, who back in October called White his inspiration, saying, I want to be Derek White.
White ahead. Al Horford left wide open and connects. Horford's first points. White, no hesitation, hits a three. And it's back up to 13. Russell to Reeves. Long three-pointer for Reeves. His second three of the second half. Kata guarding Davis. Davis gets inside, counted and a foul. Davis now 30 points, 13 rebounds, and a chance for a three-point play. James left-handed, flips it up and in. Prince this time on the bounce. Back to Hayes. Blocked from behind by Holiday. Brown looks, goes at Jackson Hayes, stops. Off balance, and somebody finally gets the bucket.
That was
wild
an ugly stretch of basketball right there.
D'Angelo Russell connects. Russell 4 of 6. He's got 13 points in 16 minutes. Horford corner three. Got it.
Wow.
Hauser misses Brown on the follow and the foul. White goes all the way down and lays it in. Laker hands swatting away, but we couldn't get it. And White banks it home. Vanderbilt drives inside. Good aggressive move from Vanderbilt for his third field goal. White cuts, lays it up, and banks it home.
Well, they've gone to a play, right? They found something.
Reeves turns, shoots, and scores. White pass inside. Tatum. Little hesitation and shoots. Davis was lurking. Good Tatum able to let it go. Davis tries another three and hits another three. It's 2 for 3 from downtown. White throws it up for Tatum and he throws it down. How quickly they can strike and the lead back up to 12. Davis takes his time methodically, flips it up and in. He's got 38 points. Tatum gets the entry pass. That's a nice feed from Porzingis. Holiday drives on Reeves, gets inside, lefty layup. How about that move from Drew Holiday? Right back to James. And that one just overpowered White. White to drive, the floater's up. Porzingis throws down the follow.
We were fortunate to cover your championship team. And to me, the vibe of this group is Rui gets a three to go. The vibe of this Celtics group connected like your group did.
LA and Boston. And that's why they did it.
Porzingis drills that. There's been a bit of a hangover since winning in Las Vegas.
Yeah, but Mike, the question is the offense. You know, the three-point shooting remains a weak spot. In the modern NBA, that's hard. You're going to be able to consistently play off defense and get out in transition where you're so tough.
And now the Celtics are going to be able to go 0. Such respect amongst. Jason Tatum found a way to score 20. Free throw line.